Alright, I'm at a Habitat for Humanity. Just looking through some stuff. I've already picked out one. It's a white and brass silicone. I told myself next time I see a white and brass silicone, I'll grab it. There's a brass one over there too, but it's missing parts. It's got a cane there. I believe this is a 52-inch one, but it's a spinner. I also really like the globe. It's very nice looking. It's a hunter. I'm not sure what type of hunter though. That's kind of cool looking. That's what's up there. Lamps. Fan controls over there. Globes. SMC. Park Avenue, maybe? I don't know. I'm not an expert on that. This selection of light fixtures. Looks like another SMC. Royal flush, possibly. It's flush mounted something or other. Missing blades. That's cool. Not $30 cool, but cool. Here's another silicone. It's polished glass, and actually I've never seen this color blade before. I don't know if it's got smoke tar on it or if it's just that color, but it's missing parts, so that's why I'm not getting that. And it's actually one with the special add-on bracket to it, which is pretty cool, but again, it's missing parts, and it's not worth it for $15. Is this preheat? No, it's not preheat. Guess they got a bunch of mirror lamps in here. It's a crazy colored toilet. Arda, what do you think about that toilet?
I think a lot of crap can go down the toilet.
Oh geez. I don't think I need any shower heads. Oh, I didn't see this. Jeez. Oh, that might be interesting to get one of those. For $12. Cool. Also close to breaking, so I almost fell off. That's all fixed. Cool rolling dust thing. More chandeliers. Apparently that little set is $7 there, like the swag lamps. Interesting. Service boxes. Hey, oh look, an octagonal fire alarm. Oh, smoke detector.
Yeah. You can just put shit on it.
tabletops, countertops. This is cool. That there. And of course, unfortunately, someone decided to gut this. I don't know why. I don't know what someone was planning on doing, but this is just a waste of space now. That's how it goes sometimes, I guess. Looks like a commercial vacuum. Hey Arda, this couch is only $5. Is it a sleeper? No, it's not a sleeper.
No way.
Yeah, it's $5.
Holy crap.
Well, they do that with couches here because they fill up too quickly. Whenever they have an older couch, they'll sell it for like $5.
That's crazy.
I've seen it happen before. They had one that looked like blue jeans. It didn't look very good in my opinion. I mean, look at this. See, look. Look how clean this is.
Yeah.
$5.
And it's a recliner.
Yeah, it's a recliner. I don't think we'd be able to fit that in your little car.
Nope.
What were you looking for? Dumbbells?
Yeah. They don't.
$15. That's kind of cool. Mid-century, or maybe not mid-century, but vintage. Well, it does have little pointy legs. Maybe it is. Who knows? Carpet. Exercise equipment. Oh, look at that. Radial saw. Oh yeah, was this Jackson? I wonder how much they're selling the radial arm saw for. Not that I need another one. 250. Yeah, that's expected.
Yours is better.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure mine is. Oh no, this is a 10-inch. Definitely very cool though.
Yeah.
Also, this one doesn't have the. Oh, it does have a shaft on the back. I guess DeWalt did it differently than Craftsman. It's gummed up though.
Yeah. Looks like whoever owned it previously used it a lot.
Yeah.
A lot more than you and didn't keep up with it either.
I wonder if
See a
that's
lot of
true
dust.
1-inch plywood there. Wouldn't surprise me. Definitely very cool though.
Bob Ross paintings.
Bob Ross? I don't know if that's actually Bob Ross.
I saw a video of him doing like a painting exact. Well, it's not obviously Bob Ross, but I saw him do like a painting like this
Yeah.
with a mountain painting. Probably would never understand that idea.
Alright, ready to go to the next one?
Yeah.
So my friend and I ended up going to a few other thrift stores. This is what all I got here. I'll start off with what I got at Habitat. This is what I'm really excited about here is a sanding wheel for my radial arm saw. A period correct blade. I don't know how sharp it is, but it's one that you can sharpen because it's not, doesn't have carbide tips. And it's used, but it doesn't look heavily used. So I'll probably still be able to use it. Of course, I got the silicone fan here with the globe that I quite like on it. I've got these 2 green bowls. That was from another thrift store. This was from the Waterfront. This was also from Waterfront. This is a really cool circle line adapter. This I got from Waterfront. I've been looking for one of these for a while. It's the center to a set of the tulip shades, which is nice. And I got this suit chair thing for $5, which is a pretty good deal. Same place they got the bowls from. It's like kind of mid-century looking. But yeah, that's all for now. Expect to see a video of that fan sometime in the future. Thanks for watching.